Boeing is facing yet another headwind. Federal regulators issued an urgent safety bulletin warning of potential problems with the jet engines on their 737 MAX aircraft. The rare recommendation from the National Transportation Safety Board follows two incidents where Southwest Airlines flights hit birds back in 2023. They say damage to the engine's oil system can cause smoke from hot oil to enter the airplane ventilation system and ultimately the cockpit or passenger cabin. They're concerned that flight crews operating these airplanes may not be fully aware of the potential hazard and the appropriate mitigation actions. The NTSB is asking the FAA to ensure that operators inform flight crews of airplanes equipped with the affected engines. The agency is also recommending modifications to engine software. Despite the warning, Boeing shares were largely unaffected. They're up about 12% so far in 2025. That'll do it for your daily briefing from the New York Stock Exchange. I'm Caroline Woods with TheStreet.